Life is a canvas, and you are the artist. To create a masterpiece of happiness, you need to follow some rules, some principles that can guide your journey. Rule 1. Embrace positivity. Start your day with a smile, for optimism is the fuel of happiness. Surround yourself with positivity and watch how your world transforms. Rule 2. Spread kindness. The more you give, the more you receive. Small acts of kindness can brighten not only someone else's day, but also your own. Rule 3. Pursue passion. Find what sets your soul on fire and chase it relentlessly. Happiness blooms when you're doing what you love. Rule 4. Cultivate relationships. Cherish your loved ones, for they are the pillars of your happiness. Invest time in building meaningful connections. Rule 5. Embrace resilience. Life may throw storms your way, but remember, it's the dance in the rain that makes life beautiful. Rule 6. Connect with nature. Sometimes, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the beauty of nature. It's a source of profound peace. Rule 7. Set goals. Have a vision for your life and set achievable goals. The pursuit of dreams fuels your journey towards happiness. Remember, happiness isn't a destination, it's a way of life. By following these rules, you can paint your life with the vibrant colors of joy and contentment. Embrace these rules, my friends, and let your life be a testament to the power of happiness. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep spreading positivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.